Good morning. Just finished up mowing the lawn. Started about 4 a.m., finished about 8:30, so it's about 4.5 hours, but I got the entire lawn, all the trails, and I trimmed everything. So I took care of the entire thing. And that's gonna open up a little bit more lawn. And what we're gonna do today is I want to move both sets of chickens. We got our egg layers over here by the goats, and then we got our baby broilers, or our meat birds, over there by the mulberry trees. And it's been about a few weeks and the grass is getting a little questionable. So I really wanted to get out here. We're gonna go ahead and pull the fences down and move them. We only gotta move them a few feet, just open up a new area of grass. So it's not gonna be a terrible amount of work, but it is time consuming. We're gonna have chickens probably roaming free. And I'm not gonna let you guys out because you will probably chase the chickens and make it that much harder. Hey goats. Ooh, chickens. The nice thing about these ones is I know if I let them out and they start to roam free, they will come back home at the end of the day. So there's nothing to worry about. So they will do a little extra free ranging today. And I love these moves because it's just so simple, because everything I need is already right here. I'm not gonna have to worry about dragging anything around. I'm literally gonna move this from here over to there. We're gonna call it good. You're free. Sounds like we have a chicken already inside trying to lay an egg. Maybe now I can get up in the roosting nesting box. Oh, there's the egg. Oh, it's already in there. One egg. Can help move some fences? Figured I'd start with the gates here quick. So I never actually did power this fence on. I kind of felt, well, I know that the chickens, they have no reason to want to leave. Fresh grass, food, plenty of room to roam. And I kind of felt that the coyotes would stay away because the goats are literally right there. We had dogs over there. It's right here in the front lawn. So there's just tons of commotion. It seemed to work pretty good. Hopefully it stays that way. Get that one out of there. Here, let me take this. Okay. Oh, you got it. Nice. Yeah, the corner ones are kind of weird. Yeah, you got to drag it towards you a little bit and then lay it down like that. Yep, there we go. You want to do that one? I'll do the next one. Got it? Good thing it rained. It's a little bit easier. There we go. Kind of want to stand up a little bit, huh? That's the last one. Oh, must be the hardest one, huh? Oh, you got it. You got it. There you go. Awesome. So since I know the general size of this whole thing, we're just gonna move the entire fence right to this open spot. So I think I'm gonna place the door right here and then we'll work that way. Here we go, here's our gate. Okay, so the fence is basically laying where we need it. So I'm gonna attempt to just drag this part around and then circle around, come back. I don't think there's any sense in moving that stretch right there because it's basically already laying where I need it. So we're gonna try this. I'll probably just pick it up. Okay, started to create a little tangled up mess here, but I think we got it sort of figured out here. All right, everybody even there? All right, we could probably stand that first one up and we'll get it on. All right, ready? There we go. Okay, right there. Do you want to step on that? Help push that in. There you go. Yep, just like that, all the way to the ground. Oh, perfect. Okay. We'll just go down the line. Here, we'll start on this side. We'll just go all the way down this one first, okay? We'll try to get a nice straight line, or somewhat of a straight line. Yep, there you go. Kick the bottom over. Perfect. Look at that. And per usual, I forgot I need to move the chicken coop first and probably try to get these barrels moved in there quick. Yeah, they're pretty full. We might take down a couple of these quick. See if we can lay it flat and we can kind of drag some stuff over them. Yeah, we might as well just take this whole side down, huh? All right. Should we move our chicken coop?
Make sure none of the chickens are inside.
Mm-hmm. All right, we're gonna turn it towards you. We'll just drive it right over this, okay?
Chicken, watch over.
Watch your feet. Got her? Look out, chickens. And unfortunately, I think I filled this barrel up with water not too long ago. It's about 2/3 full. Getting it? So now we can stand our fence back up, I guess. I might start from this side, since that's the side that's already up. Work our way back towards the gate. All right.
I'll do this one by myself.
Okay, I'll get the next one. There you go. Got it? There we go. I'll step on that one. Nice. If you want to grab that one, kind of walk out with it, and then I'll walk this one out, and we'll just kind of go till it's tight, like this, and then kind of push it out so it brings it all tight, and step it down. Nice. There we go. Then don't forget to hook the top in.
Oh, that's not.
That's all right. Look pretty good. Just a couple more corner support rods, and we will be done with this fence. Okay, I went over here on the gate corner, and you found 2 eggs, and we're done. There we go.
Yeah.
Nice, thank you.
We can leave them out.
All right, we are officially done with this one. I'm just gonna move the coop to the back corner. That's where we'll start at, and then we'll pull it forward and back, forward and back. You wanna help? All right, ready? We're gonna go forward and then your way a little bit, and then we'll back it up. All right, sometimes I just do this. Ready?
Make that egg full.
Is there an egg in there?
Uh-huh.
That's
Right
funny.
on my side.
There we go, down a little hill. That's nice.
Whoa, it's going fast.
All right, I think right there's good. All right, you wanna drop that?
Can somebody actually go get that egg?
We could come back this afternoon when we have all the eggs in there and come get them. I think the water's good. I think I'll just move the food up here. We're done. On to number 2. All right, time for the meat birds. I'm not really sure how they're going to react to this being wide open. I feel like if I drop the fence and move their food and water to where I want them to be, they'll just come to that spot. So I'm kind of hoping they'll do that and make this fairly easy for me to move. I'm gonna try to do a little bit of the prep work. Just get these corners out now, get the ties all undone, kind of get as much as I can taken care of before I just open this wide open. And we're free here. Down here is where we're gonna be putting the new fence. So it's just like a nice long run. So we're gonna add into there. And actually it's a little bit nicer of a spot too, because over here there was a small dead spot in the grass that already existed. Kind of turned into like a little mud pit. That's all nice, clean, thick grass, clover. And it looks really good. You think we should get like 2 or 3 lambs?
Yeah.
Would you ride them around? Okay, I already disconnected this.
Babies. They're gonna be babies.
Yeah. What would you do with the lamb? Here, you wanna work? Are you gonna work that way? Oh, that's the gate. You can leave that one for now. We'll work down this way. You wanna get this one, Lacey? And then just drop them out that way. Maybe I'll start on this side and we'll meet in the middle. You're beating me. All right, let's see if I can bundle this up, bring it to you. All right, so here's our corner again. This side seems to be going a lot smoother. All right, should we see if the chickens will follow us? This still has feed in it. That one's about empty. Oh, there you go. I'm gonna take one of those and carry it into the new area and see if they follow you. I'll grab the waters. You can grab that other one too if you want, if you're able to. Oh, look, they're coming. There, we can sit them along the edge if you want to. Then we'll wheel in the little shelter. Should move the little shade. There's the other feeder. I think we should just pick it up, move it straight back. And help. What's up, guys? Look out, chickens. Holy cow, they're everywhere.
Why do you wait?
Hey, they're following us. That's good. They were coming, then they kind of switched.
Oh. It's actually
Okay, watch your feet.
on.
No, it's off. Here, we'll leave it right there for now. It's pretty good. Okay, they're starting to come. Maybe girls grab that light grain bucket. Come on, chickies. They don't want to move, they're being lazy. All right, I filled these up. Let's see if they notice the food. They want to come swarming. Oh, maybe. Here's some come. Some are coming. You want to take that one?
Why?
Some. Come on, chickens. Here, I have an idea, Lacey. Let's each grab a side of this gate and we'll see if we can walk it and maybe it'll kind of like spook them and push them. Think you can pull that one out of the ground? Okay. Oh, here, Ram, why don't you come on this side? There we go. Come on this side, Remy. Okay, keep a little tighter, Lacey. There we go, we got it moving. Come on, chickens.
Come on, chickens.
Whoa, he don't like you, huh? All right, I think we're gonna just attempt to catch the chickens later and move on, get our fence set up here quick. All right, they're all being lazy birds and not coming in here, so I think I'm gonna have to go and actually carry each one of them over here. 5 to go. One.
I'm the fastest.
You're getting that one?
No, I got it.
Oh, she got it. All right. Well, that was fun. Okay, we are all buttoned up. The girls got the last stakes in now. I want to move their waters back over here. They're still each about half full. So I think I can wait till tonight. I'll top these things off. I'm trying to spread they have 3 grain food jugs. I'm trying to kind of spread them out. I think maybe that'll help spread the poop out a little bit more. It seems to be, if I have it all too close to the shelter, everything is at the shelter. And it's just an enormous amount of poop. All right, I think we are done, complete. We have moved all of our chickens, our 12 egg layers, and now our 50 baby broiler meat chickens. New, fresh grass, good for another couple weeks. Hope you enjoyed today's video. See you all next time. Later.